For the second type of generator, you will be needing material. There's LEDs, foam base, fan, motor, connecting wire and a steel wire. This is a motor which can act as a generator. There is a coil inside the motor and magnets. When this coil revolves, electricity can be generated. Today we are going to convert this motor into a generator. Connect LED to the two ends of motor. Generally red is positive and black is negative. And if you put a fan on the shaft of the motor, then blow it, try the assembly for single LED. In case if LED is not glowing, then flip the terminals of LED, interchange the wires and try it again. Once LED started glowing, the next step is you are going to prepare a panel for 3 to 4 LEDs. While preparing panel for LED, as you know now that longer leg of LED is positive, shorter leg of LED is negative. Like this, you are going to insert LEDs into the foam piece. When you insert more than one LED, keep it in mind that all same terminals will come on the same side. For example, longer leg is on right side now and shorter leg is on left side. So for the second LED, same should happen. Longer leg should go on right and shorter leg should come on left. For third LED, again be careful that same terminals will come on the same side of the panel. Like this, prepare a panel for LEDs where you can connect 3 to 4 LEDs. Now once it's done, turn over the panel. You can stretch LED legs a little bit. Next step, you're going to connect all positive terminals of LED together and all negative terminals of LED together. In this way, you are connecting all LEDs in parallel. Now connect all longer terminals of LED through a connecting steel wire given in the kit, so that all LEDs will be in a parallel circuit. We are going to connect all positive terminals together and all negative terminals together. While doing this, please be aware that wires should not touch each other, otherwise it will create a short circuit within the panel and LEDs will not glow. To fix the wires in its place, you can apply sellotape. Your LED panel is ready, your dynamo is ready. If you connect your dynamo with these wires which are coming from your panel, you can see your LEDs will glow on a blow. Addition to this, these long connecting wires are provided in the kit. If you want to use this wire, you can use this wire to connect motor with a panel like this. You can use these two connecting wires which are provided additionally into the kit. Otherwise, like this, you can attach the dynamo on the same panel and connect these two wires to the steel wires which are coming from the panel. Assembly is ready. You can test it by blowing the fan. You can call it as a blowing windmill as well. So blow the generator and have fun.